Well, players in the bioethanol industry want the government to zero-rate tax on the product to make it less costly and accessible to the masses. These would help reduce reliance on inputs while creating a major new Kenyan bioeconomy industry, according to Clean Cooking Association of Kenya CEO David Njogi.
The three bioethanol players in the country say demand for the product is about 3 million litres monthly. They say even though there is a huge demand for bioethanol cooking fuel, taxes have pushed up prices and are calling on the government to zero-rate bioethanol, just like is the case with the liquefied petroleum gas, to make it cheaper and accessible to more consumers.
Taxation of LPG and taxation bioethanol, because they fall in the same category, if it is made, bioethanol is to be given a fair play and needs to be taxed at the same level. In that way, our consumers are going to benefit more.
Local bioethanol production is expected to create 370,000 rural jobs in the agriculture sector and induce a 25 billion shillings investment into Kenya's sugar and cassava producing regions.
We make these sources of energy affordable to households and citizens who are not able to afford. And one way of doing that is creating some physical incentives like tax waivers, exemptions, and these can help drive down the cost of these solutions.
A study conducted by bioethanol players indicates that small-scale sugar and cassava farmers stand to net an additional 180,000 shillings an acre in annual earnings if ethanol production is factored as a main product.
We were able to project that it would be creating a lot of additional revenue streams for smallholder farmers in the production of feedstock, either through using sugarcane juice, molasses, or cassava, amounting to 180,000 Kenya shillings monthly, and this is an aggregate of 54 billion Kenya shillings annually.
Sugar factories have also been encouraged to step up production of bioethanol as a main product as opposed to being a byproduct.
It's until when our own investors and innovative individuals in Kenya change their mind from producing bioethanol as a byproduct and major on producing ethanol as a fuel product and a main production of a plant. That way we shall be able to meet the demand.
Local bioethanol production is expected to help Kenya achieve its 10% forest cover by saving 54 million trees felled annually for charcoal making. Benson Rioba reporting for Channel 1 Business.